James Patrick here. Let's take a few minutes to go over Ableton Live's new PitchLoop89. James Patrick here. James Patrick here. James Patrick here. Let's take a few minutes to go over Ableton Live's new PitchLoop89. Let's take a few So as you can hear, the PitchLoop89 is an incredible sound playground. It's designed to just explore And maybe you'll come up with new things that have never been heard before. I think that's what we're hoping for. So hit us up at Slam Academy, www.slamacademy.com, if you want to create your own sound using Ableton Live 11. Take care. The online classroom experience at Slam Academy is unparalleled. We love masterclass, YouTube tutorials, and everything in between, but Slam Academy is doing something entirely different. With partnerships in the latest interactive online technologies, the virtual classroom experience at Slam Academy is always immersive and engaging. In class, you will share full resolution line-level audio with your instructor in real time, so it feels like you're right there in the studio. There are no vague, poorly described ideas here. Only specialized lessons designed by Ableton certified trainers where you work directly with experts as they help you sculpt your tracks and create your own sound.
Slam Academy is an Ableton certified training center offering courses in sound design, mixing and mastering, and more. www.slamacademy.com